Cat named Little William the Conqueror. Cat named Fiona, the baby fee, who is 12. And this little runt is like almost 4 months, 3 months old, and he is a little destructionist. He is on a vengeance. He's just taking a rest break right now. He's thinking about what he's going to do next. He's chilling, but I'm sure he's got plans for demolishing more stuff, spilling things, going on a tear, and roughhousing with Soldier, my big black cat, who's probably getting a rest right now.